You ready? Alright, look, check me out, guys. You know, this page spiffed up Dukes. Find me on Facebook. Right down there. The link will be down there. Let's see, oh, the Cat Daddy event that's going down May 29th at Club Destinies. You already know your boy's in that. So come check me out. This video is for that contest anyways. So with the competition looking kind of weak right now. So you know, I'm finna go pull this thing, give it 110%, take you weaklings out. That's me. Finna get in that Final Four, take over the whole country.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga?
Man, I go to work. True winner. Jeans skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took it down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, Shelty call it thinners. UPS Jackson, skilly we deliver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember.
Back with skinnies, they from rejects, I remember.
Competition, see the crease, they surrender. Smoke a wide clef kush, now I'm gone to the river. Move your arms like you wheelchair stuck. Drop it low, grab your shoulder like fuck it. Tip power 106 to bang this shit. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work.
You're too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black,
Going Akon,
black headlights. I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going nuts.
Akon.
I'm a motherfucking fool for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid. I'm in my prime barbecue rib, and it smells like pubes all around my dick. I blockade it like a goalie, pockets guacamole. Checks in the back at your neck like a rollie. Lady with your chick, she ate the cat daddy lonely. So I leave a junkie fever, I'm the mall, she's a Chloe. Yeah, I'm cracking like a newborn rooster. Take a chick in the mall, yeah, we call that boosting. Don't get mad, it's your chick, she choosing. Cat daddy haters screaming, what the fuck he doing?